In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two Canva projects into one. Launch your Canva app. Open the first project. In the top menu, click on the Open a New Tab option. You can see that the project has been opened in a new tab. Click on the Home button. Open the second project in a new tab just like before. In the bottom right corner, click on the View Grid button. You can see that the pages of this project are appearing in a smaller position now. Select both of the pages and copy them by pressing Ctrl+C. Now go to the first project. Click on the View Grid button again. Now paste the previously copied project by pressing Ctrl+V. You can see that the previous project has been pasted here. Now rearrange the pages according to your need. If I turn off the View Grid option now, you can see that the pages of the two projects have been merged into one. By following these steps, you can merge any number of projects you need into one.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.